Okay.
Then there you go, paste down here.
Yes, we'll paste that.
Okay.
After pasting, you give us our New Year gift.
And how much is that, please?
Oh no, please, anything that you give us is accepted.
Okay, I will check my purse. So you need to explain. So these are two, right? So one, this is the street address.
Yes.
It's called Wisdom Road.
Wisdom Road.
82.
82.
Okay, and this.
Your digital address number.
Okay, is it for here and the main
Yes,
building?
for the compound.
For the compound, the whole compound.
Yeah, the whole
Who applied for this, or
This
is
from,
Ghana?
This from, yes, it's from national.
But you guys are going to do the road. There's going to be expansion of the road. So how would this be relevant?
When there is going to be a break, you remove it. You see, so when you finally lay another wall, place it on the wall.
Interesting. Okay. All right. Okay. So we should know this by heart,
Yes.
which is 82
Yes.
Wisdom Road.
Yes. So anyone that you want to direct your hair,
Okay.
ask him to use it. The address, and it comes straight here.
How come it's not a flower road?
No, they are not naming it one. Perhaps another road would be a Volta road. Another road, you see, but it's the same road. But they cannot name it right from down there up to.
But this is a flower road. This is from Ashaiman roundabout all the way.
Roundabout all the way. To,
yes.
Yes.
To the end of.
Yes.
So how come it's not numbered?
Now, not that it's not numbered, but this is what they have taken it. The other side is Volta.
Interesting.
Yes.
Volta Road. So across the street, it's called Volta.
Volta. And here is Wisdom.
This is Wisdom. Ghana mindset. Okay,
So,
all right.
The other house
is 80.
80.
And then this one is
84.
84. Which one is 84?
Here. The
Which?
back here.
Oh, then is it?
The land here, where they are selling paint.
Oh, but what about in between the paint and here?
I think that
The
is
land.
the same compound. Every compound will have one number.
Okay. All right.
So that compound all will have one number.
Okay.
Like here.
All right. All right. Let's do that. We are videotaping for the owner.
Okay.
So. So then that means it's gonna be on this wall.
Yeah, it's more transparent.
David, please, which wall would this go to? Is it going to be here, or here?
One will be here and then one will be at the end. Only one.
In the middle. Okay, cool. Take your time. Anyway, you are finished, and it's 82 Wisdom Road. And the GN is the map location.
Yeah, the digital address.
With a so you are going by the digits. Okay, and not by road name.
Yeah.
So this is Afla Road, but the name is Wisdom Road. So Wisdom Road on off Afla or what? How do you say that?
In between is the real street name. This is because the road leads to Afra. That's why it's being called Afra Road. Afra Road. But the real name for the street is what they have been giving here, Wisdom Road.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you for your New Year gift.
Okay. But
I